DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Is this the perfect pocket camera? Introduction. The DJI Osmo Pocket series has been a cornerstone in the compact camera market, favored by content creators for its blend of portability, innovation, and advanced features. With each iteration, expectations soar, and the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is no exception. This video explores the anticipated features and potential upgrades that could redefine the standards for pocket cameras in the content creation arena. Overview of DJI Osmo Pocket series. The DJI Osmo Pocket series has consistently served vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers with cutting-edge tools to turn creative visions into reality. The Osmo Pocket 3, released in 2023, set high benchmarks with significant upgrades like a 1-inch sensor for enhanced low-light performance and a 2-inch rotatable touchscreen for better usability. It also introduced 4K portrait filming, expanding possibilities for vloggers and content creators focused on vertical video formats. Anticipated upgrades in Osmo Pocket 4. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to build on its predecessor successes, aiming to appeal to both professional and casual users. Key potential upgrades include enhanced autofocus and tracking. Incorporating phase detection autofocus and eye tracking technology could significantly improve focusing speed and accuracy. This would be particularly beneficial for capturing fast-moving subjects and dynamic scenes, facilitated by advanced AI-powered tracking features. Weather resistance. One of the most sought-after improvements is enhanced weather resistance. The current models, with their exposed ports and SD card slots, are vulnerable to elements. A weather-seal design would make the Osmo Pocket 4 more robust and suitable for outdoor adventurers and travel vloggers, enabling filming in diverse conditions like rain, snow, or dusty trails. Improved image quality. Although the Osmo Pocket 3 already boasts a 1-inch sensor, there is room for improvement in resolution and sharpness. The Osmo Pocket 4 could feature a higher megapixel count combined with advanced image processing algorithms to deliver sharper, more detailed visuals, rivaling professional-grade cameras. Brighter, more user-friendly display. Enhancing the screen's brightness and resolution could address usability issues in bright sunlight or when wearing gloves. A touch-sensitive, glare-resistant display, possibly with a secondary auxiliary display, would improve operation in various lighting conditions and environments. Expanded accessory ecosystem. There is an opportunity for DJI to expand its range of accessories. Potential additions could include external battery packs, waterproof cases, telephoto lens adapters, ND filter sets, and advanced features like waypoint programming for preset camera movements and hands-free control through gesture recognition. Rugged design for everyday use. Improving the durability of the Osmo Pocket 4 could inspire greater confidence among users, especially those engaging in adventure vlogging and challenging environments. A sturdier, shock-resistant build would make the camera more reliable across diverse conditions. Innovative features for creative freedom. The Osmo Pocket 4 could introduce features that further enhance creative flexibility. Ideas include repurposing the touchscreen as a fill light for low-light shooting and pairing the camera with DJI's remote controller for dual-operator functionality. Anticipated release date and pricing. While speculative, if DJI follows its usual release pattern, the Osmo